Very often, I will get referrals from clients to other prospective clients who have come into big chunks of money recently. And they've come into big chunks of money in a variety of ways. Maybe it's an inheritance, maybe they sold a business, maybe some stock options came due. Any number of things could create what I'll call a huge asset in their life that they didn't have 2 weeks ago. And what I tell clients that have come into this money is that they should keep breathing, right? I know that seems really silly, but keep living your life the way that you've been living it. I know this is super exciting, or sometimes in the case of an inheritance, it's actually super sad. And so I want clients to be able to process those emotions and be able to return to what I would call their normal state of being so that they can return to a place where they actually make good conscious decisions about their money. And then sometimes those prospective clients will say, but I really want to celebrate. I've always really wanted to own this really phenomenal car, and can I please go buy it, as if I need to give them permission. But sometimes there is a place to go ahead and spend some money initially. What I tell clients about that is set a limit, make sure it's something super special that you've wanted for a really long time, and go ahead and spend the money and then stop and then breathe, right? Just take a moment to breathe. I think what I see too often is clients that go and they spend money super fast because they just came into this big chunk of money and they've wanted to spend it for a really long time. And now they overspend, and more often than not, they really wish they hadn't. So we just try to get people to slow the roll. Congratulations on all the money. Slow your roll, breathe. Let's come back into ourselves. And then you can make some really good conscious decisions about what you want to do going forward. I'm Jessica Lanning. Lanning Does Planning.